All right, welcome back, everyone. And let's go ahead and talk about today's topic, which is the Navy Federal secured loan. And today I'm going to give you guys some pros and cons of getting the Navy Federal secured loan and a little bit of insight on if you should get it or if you should not. So let's always go ahead and start out with the pros. So the pros of the Navy Federal secured loan. The biggest pro, of course, is that it's going to add a positive primary trade line to your credit report, which is in turn going to improve your credit score. That is the whole purpose to getting this loan, is for you to be able to improve your credit score and build your credit profile. Now, one of the other bigger benefits of this loan is that it actually refunds as you pay it, meaning you can use the same funds to continue to pay down the loan month after month, which is what makes this such a powerful loan product. Now, the next thing, this product has low, if not no, interest. So basically, by you getting this particular loan, Navy Federal only charges you 2% on the loan interest because this particular loan is securing your own funds. I've seen other companies secure loans with interest rates up to 30%. But why would you go pay 30% to use a secured loan, which is your own money, when you can pay 2% with Navy Federal? Now, the next thing, the terms of the loans. You can determine how many months you want to carry out these loans, how long you want these loans to be, and which particular loans that you want. This is very important when you're applying for loans, and extremely important when you're applying with Navy Federal for loan products, because you can now put in your own hands how much you want your payment to be. Do you want it to be a large payment? Do you want it to be a small payment? Do you want it to be somewhere in between? Do you want this to show that you can pay for things over an extended period of time? Or do you want this to show that you can make large payments and afford them? You are choosing the terms. The next thing, of course, is that this is building positive payment history. I wanted to separate this from improving your credit score, because adding those positive payments could potentially bring you up. Say you have a 96%, all the way up into 97, 98, 99%, where you're closer to 100%. Now, the next thing, it's going to improve your relationship with the credit union. So everyone who knows about Navy Federal will tell you that having a strong internal score is going to allow you to improve your relationship and build your score internally. By building that internal score and building that internal relationship, Navy Federal will see you as less of a risk and be more likely to loan you larger amounts of money. Now, the next thing, secured loans appear less risky. When banks are factoring in your credit products, if they see secured products, they know that they are less risky than unsecured products, because you put up your own money as collateral. Now, the last pro that I'm going to list is the liquidity. Because you can take your money out of this loan, essentially, you can roll it into other things to help you financially invest or even build your credit further, such as the Navy Federal secured card. If you want more information on that, I'm going to post the link to my video on how to do that below, so that way you can check that out. Now, let's get on to the cons. Why would you not want to get this product? One of the cons with this product is it does not affect credit utilization, meaning because it is not a revolving account, it doesn't affect credit utilization, which is one of your largest credit factors. So by that being one of your largest credit factors, you're going to want to get some products that do affect it, but I do not believe that that will make this a product that you would not want to get. Now, the next thing that makes this a little bit more tedious is you must call in to apply. Now, for myself, I always like to do things in online applications. It just makes it easier. I feel like it makes the process so much more simple. However, for Navy Federal, you have to call in to apply, which means if you want to get multiples of this particular loan, you're going to have to call back, and that process can get tedious with making multiple phone calls to Navy Federal. Now, the next thing is the process can be kind of confusing. That's why I made the how-to guide for you guys to watch that video and take it step by step as you call Navy Federal. Go online, fill out the promissory note, and do everything methodically based off of what's in that video. If you follow that video to the T and you do those steps, you will not have a problem with this process. It won't be confusing at all. However, for someone who had to figure it out himself, it can be confusing if you're trying to figure this out yourself. Now, the next thing, you must have the initial capital to secure the loan. Now, a lot of the times when we're talking about people who have poor credit, this is something that pops into the conversation, is having that initial capital. How do I get that initial money to open up a credit card? Once again, I have a recent live stream that I actually did with Rod from Points Blank Travel, where we talked about this and ways that you can build capital to get your secured credit products, as well as I have some more videos on free or very cheap trade lines. And I will be releasing a video on how you can get the initial money to get a secured credit card to begin building your credit when you don't have any money currently. Now, the next thing, and these last two are going to be the biggest dilemmas potentially with this product. Most people who call me and they're interested in this product, they're interested in it because they're trying to purchase a home or get a mortgage. You have to understand, this product will raise your DTI, which is your debt to income ratio, which will lower your approval amount for your pre-qualification. Meaning, if you get this product, my last con, it should not be done or should not be applied for within 6 months of home purchase. 6 months is the shortest term that Navy Federal allows, and you want this loan to be completed to term as well as paid off before you go for your home purchase, as that will allow you to be able to get approved for as much home as possible. So with that being said, I want to take this moment to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning into this video and for being here, and we'll see you guys in the next one.